All right, let's keep it real. Have you ever like uploaded a video, got like 3 views, and then you thought, damn, maybe YouTube just ain't for me? But it's not your fault. Most small YouTubers make the same deadly mistake that keeps their channel stuck, but not after today, okay? Because I'm about to expose these mistakes and show you exactly how to fix them. Are you ready? Let's go. The first thing is that you're making videos nobody asks for. I need you all to hear me when I say this. YouTube is not about what you want to post. That is if you are trying to make money now. If you're just doing it as a hobby, then by all means. But if you're here for business, it's not about what you just want to post. It's about what people are searching for. If you're just out here vlogging about your day with like zero audience, then who exactly do you expect to watch it? Your mom? Your sister? Your bestie? And now I'm going to tell you how to fix this problem, okay? You need to find ideas that people are actively searching for. Use YouTube search, check what's trending, and make content that actually has demand. I just made videos about how to use the YouTube search bar to know what's trending, to generate tags. And also I made videos on how to use ChatGPT to generate video ideas, to also generate scripting. If you need help with this area, please check out those videos. I'll link them in the cast for you. It's going to really help you. Create videos that people actually want to watch. Create searchable videos. Don't just post what you feel you want to post or what, except you're not here to make money, like I said. But if you're here to make money and if you're a subscriber on this channel, you're here to make money. So do this. Your next mistake is that your thumbnail and your titles, they are weak as fuck. Yes, they are weak as fuck. Your thumbnail is the cover of your video. Your title is what draws people to actually want to click the video. So if your thumbnail is just you smiling with a random title like my first video, I hate to say it, but nobody cares. Nobody cares because YouTube is like Tinder. Like if you do not catch their attention in 2 seconds, they're swiping, they're moving to the next video. And this is facts. How to fix this problem is to make clickable thumbnail and juicy title. Like use big bold text, like use bright colors, something that makes people curious. Like, ooh, this looks beautiful. I want to click this video. For your title, for example, instead of saying like the generic how to start a YouTube channel, you can say the truth about starting YouTube that no one tells you. That's more interesting. That's more juicy. Like somebody that hasn't started a YouTube channel or somebody that's just starting a YouTube channel will want to click that to know, ooh, what's the truth about starting a YouTube channel that no one tells you. Do you get it? So moving on to the third mistake, which is, your videos are boring. Listen, hear me out. If you take 3 minutes just to introduce yourself, you've already lost the viewer. Because this is YouTube, not a TikTok. People want energy, people want entertainment, people want information, and they want it fast. Nobody has time for you to introduce yourself, introduce your channel. You already see your channel name, they see your profile picture, they see your channel banner, they've read your channel description, they know what the channel is about, they read the video title, they saw the video thumbnail, they know what the video is about, they want to get information. So spending almost 3 minutes introducing yourself, you're losing viewers. If your video feels like a Zoom lecture, they are definitely clicking off. And how to fix this is to hook them immediately. I say this all the time. Start with a problem or a question or a bold statement. People clicked on the video for a reason and they want to know, like, probably the solution to a problem they are having. Dive into it, go straight into it. Hook them and make sure the video takes them so that they watch the video from the beginning to the end. For example, I could start the video with your YouTube channel is failing and I know exactly why. That grabs attention immediately. It's to keep them watching to find out why their YouTube channel is actually failing. So use your first 3, 4, 5 seconds to your advantage to hook your viewers to keep them watching the video. And I'm also going to link videos in the cards that are going to help you with, learning how to do all this stuff, how to title right, description right, thumbnail, your hook. I'm just going to help you. Okay. Watch that. The first mistake is that you're ignoring YouTube's SEO. And yes, I get it. Okay. SEO sounds boring, but let me break it down for you. If YouTube doesn't know what your video is about, it's never going to recommend your video. That's like, trying to sell a cake with no sign. Who's going to buy it? YouTube needs to know what your video is about. So it knows the audience to push your video to. That's why we have keywords. That's why we have, tags, title, optimization, all those jazz. And I've spoken about this multiple times on this channel. So how to fix this is to use keywords in your title, to use keywords also in your description, like, how to get 1,000 subscribers fast. That's a really searchable keyword that people are searching for, because a lot of people want to get to, the monetization threshold really quick. You can add SEO friendly tags. I'm going to drop a link for you down in the description. I already made a video on how to generate, tags using YouTube itself. So check that out. That's going to help you. And also you can write a detailed video description that tells YouTube exactly what your video is about. Most times the video's description is not for the audience, it's mainly for YouTube. So the algorithm knows what the video is about. The algorithm understands the video and then pushes it out to the right audience. So now I'm going to give you some quick fixes to, boost your views here on YouTube. Fix number one is to make titles that trigger emotions. Like use words like, truth, mistakes, secret, don't do this. For example, you could say, stop doing this on YouTube. It's killing your channel. Those kind of titles. That's fix number one. Make titles that trigger emotions. Fix number two is to post at the right time. I've made a video about the right time to post here on YouTube. I'll link that video also. Check it out. Okay. So when you're posting at the right time, find out when your audience is online and, the peak hours, post during peak hours, learn your peak hours. And you'll find this in your YouTube studio, your analytic. That's where you find this. If you don't know how to find it, like I said, I'll link the video for you. Check your YouTube analytics, know when your viewers are active online, then you post at that time. Always post at the right time. Fix number three is to create binge-worthy content, okay? Like make your next video related to your last video. For example, if this video is about mistakes, the next one should be about how to get 1,000 subscribers fast. Like create a series, a binge-worthy content. And if you don't know how to do this, you can use ChatGPT to easily generate a series, video series title for your YouTube channel. All right, now that I have exposed these mistakes, do not panic, okay? We are fixing them together. So start applying these tips today, and I promise you, your views, your subscribers, they will start growing. So turn on post notification if you haven't yet. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever I post the next video to this series, because I'm here to help my community to grow on YouTube. Everybody here must make it on the streets of YouTube. We are all going to get monetized on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was really helpful to you. Share to somebody that needs to hear this. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.